Alright, welcome to a short and sweet video about how to take the skis off of a Polaris snowmobile. In this video I'm talking about Polaris's steel skis that they used on many models for many years. This happens to be a 1996 Indy Trail, and I'm just parting it out. The way I chose to take them off, I started by taking out the bolt which relieves the spindle, and once you do that, you can tap it straight out. Now if you do this, this is going to mess up your alignment. So be careful about this. You might want to just take it off at the bottom, and that's what I'm going to show you mainly. So once you have that loose on the top, you tap it out and you get this. The spindle's still attached. Let's go see how this comes apart. So what is probably not as obvious is what happens down here. And this is really what I want to show you. There is a rubber bushing underneath the forged part of the spindle, which is kind of a dampener, and underneath that there is some more structure of the ski. It's a little bit hard to see, so I'll see if I can show it to you here. Now the spindle's sitting in here, and if you can raise that bushing up, and there's a plate of steel that it sits on, if you can wiggle it forward, then you're good to go. You can see that here now. There's the bottom of the spindle, or bushing, and then this steel spot welded in there as part of the ski that all sits on. Once you have that up and over, the spindle slides forward, and you can turn it and take it out. And there that is. Rubber bushing also comes out pretty easy then. And then voila, you have just your ski. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.